here we are once again in the Grow Cran program. I'll show you how it's working. Give me 30 seconds and we're into the attic. Set the gear on. We set a trap last night with the babies and went in. Hang tight and follow me. Here's our scenario up here, folks, and here's the cage. I'm going to give you a little insight to see what goes on. Hang on to your shirts and we'll tell you what's there. She is right there, guys. Beautiful. Mom, babies, everybody's happy. Get that out of the way. This job is almost a wrap. Ow, 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 ow. Nail. Somebody with the nail, imagine that. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? Well, if you're ready. Okay? Here we are. There she is. Babies are underneath her. Everybody's relocated. Gonna be happy as can be. It's okay, girl. Don't worry. That's step one, folks. Another job done.